How to find random live videos on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you will find the option of your story. Click on it. Now click on the camera option. With that, your camera will open up. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of live. Now you have to go live. Click on this white icon. After you go live, now you have to share this live. So click on this icon given at the bottom right corner. Now share your live to any of your friend. Click on send. Now you can end this live. Click on discard video. Click on discard. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. Now open the conversation with the person to whom you have sent the live. You'll find your live. Now click on this option of watch more. And with that, you will be able to find random live videos on Instagram. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily find random live videos on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.